If you're struggling to track deliverables and deadlines easily, and you want a fast, no-fluff solution, this video is going to change how you manage your work in just a few minutes. Most people waste hours trying different tools without finding one that actually sticks. So I tried them all for you. What I'm about to show you is simple, scalable, and designed to keep you on top of every task without the usual overwhelm. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to organize your deliverables, set clear deadlines, and keep everything visible in one place. Plus, there's an exclusive free trial of the software I'm using, linked in the description, only available for viewers of this channel. So if you want to follow along or try it for yourself, make sure you check that out. Let's get right into it. Once you've created your free account with the software we'll be using, the first thing to do is set up your project dashboard. Think of this like your mission control. You can name it after a client, a campaign, or a team project, whatever helps you identify it quickly. Inside the dashboard, create a simple table view. Use 4 core columns: task name, owner, due date, and status. That's really all you need to track deliverables and deadlines easily. Keep it simple. Each row is a deliverable, and each one should have a clear owner and a deadline. Now here's the trick that makes this setup powerful. Use filters and views. Set one view for upcoming deadlines, so you always know what's due soon. Another view can show only overdue tasks. That way, you never miss what's falling through the cracks. You can also group by status, like not started, in progress, and done. This gives you a high-level overview without needing to micromanage. The software updates this automatically as you or your team update tasks, so it's hands-off once you set it up. Use reminders and automations to make this even easier. You can set automatic reminders for 1 or 2 days before each deadline. No more chasing people. Let the system do that for you. And here's something most people miss. Add a last updated column. This tells you if a task has been stagnant for too long. It's a quick way to see where progress has stalled without reading every single note or comment. If you're working with a team, invite them directly into the dashboard. They can update their tasks, leave notes, and everyone stays on the same page. No more back and forth emails or Slack threads with missing context. Now, if you want a visual layout instead of a table, switch to a Kanban view. This is great for people who think in stages or like to drag and drop tasks as they move through different phases. Remember, the goal here is to make tracking deliverables and deadlines so simple that it becomes automatic. Once you set up this system, all you need to do is check it once a day. It does the heavy lifting for you. Here's the key takeaway. Tracking deliverables and deadlines isn't about using complex systems. It's about creating clarity. One place, simple structure, and consistency. That's it. Quick recap. Set up a project dashboard. Use 4 core columns: task, owner, due date, status. Create filtered views for upcoming and overdue tasks. Use reminders and a last updated column. Share with your team for real-time collaboration. Try switching to Kanban if you prefer a visual workflow. If you want to follow along and set this up right now, I recommend you grab the exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available for viewers of my channel. That way you can build this exact setup today. Thanks for watching. Now go take control of your deadlines.